I'm letting you guys know right now, this video is going to be all types of crazy in editing, but I just wanted to put something up there. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, like, now I just kind of look ghostly and ashy. I'm going to use heart-shaped tape in the color. This is tan sand. So.
And if I'm taking niggas down, you the first to go. Don't need no handout, shawty, I'm from Holly Grove. Tryna kick it with Molly, yeah, then head out on the road. I get it hot like a sauna, all my niggas Dominicana. I'm getting bright like a scholar.
Brown color. This is like my go-to color. I'm gonna use it.
One for you, young nigga, preach, preach. Preach, 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 preach. Young nigga, preach. Preach, 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 preach. Young nigga, preach. Preach, preach, preach.
So then I'm going to use my single black eyeshadow that's also from NYX. And we're just going to take that.
Preach, 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 preach. Still in Los Angeles. Still trying to make it up.
My lid at all, like at all. So I'm gonna take that same shade tape I used to prime my lid with in the color tan sand. Now I'm gonna really be focused in this mirror, and I'm gonna try to make sure you guys can see too, but I'm really about to be focused because
Wait, working hard until it's payday. Something about all these mixtapes, man, they charting like albums. Underground's one thing, stadium music is how I should sound it. Bitches be all in their feelings these days, all in their feelings these days. But we got a vision, we doing this shit cause there's bread to be made. Young nigga, preach, 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 preach. Young nigga, preach, 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 preach. Preach, 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 young nigga, preach, 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 young nigga, preach, 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 preach. Preach, 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 preach.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but in the process of doing this eye, I decided to take the glitter off of this eye. I no longer like the glitter look, so no, my eyes are not exactly the same. I'm gonna make them work. I just had to struggle to get this glitter off this eye. Liquid illuminator by NYX, and we're just going to
Young nigga, preach.
L'Oreal's True Match. And it's oil free. This is the color W9.5.
I like my girl just like I like my honey, sweet little selfish. I like my women like I like my money.
Then for my concealer, we're just gonna take Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep.
I'm funny. Oh yeah.
Take a little bit of tan sand and put it on top, closer to under my eye, just to lighten that area up just a tad.
All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Cut it out the line, I came to find my fire was fake with you. Heartache will stay with you. Fly great escapes with you. Oh, yeah. La da di da da di da da di da. Oh no.
people, but putting eyelashes on myself, I've never been successful, like ever been successful, so I'm gonna try. Eyelashes that I'm using are, they're Faux Mink Wispies by Ardell. They're just some that I picked up from a drugstore in the strip. I don't know how people wear eyelashes every damn day. Like, every day, sis. Every day. Ugh, I'm nervous. It's like I can never get them past my own freaking eyelashes. I don't know how you guys do this. Like, I give props to anybody who does this on a reg. It doesn't look too bad. Did it look good? Like, give this video a thumbs up if they look good, or if this one looks good. I'm gonna try the other one, and then I'm gonna do the extremities of mascara and all that extra stuff.
Every time we drew our lines, they grew legs and walked themselves down the road. Boundaries is my middle name.
So guys, tell me how my first time doing eyelashes was, because I feel like it's a little bit iffy.
All mine. Never wanna complain. Love you with your wings, babe. These are your skies. But then there was the blood from your heart on my hands again. Though I swear I washed it off in the way. I wish I was sorry. Damn, I wish I was sorry that I don't know how to stay away. And I pray for the love that we had underneath when we both promised not to waste love arguing. I love you more than I ever could say. Yeah. And don't say you don't want no problems. Can't hear through what I say. Say you want it your way. Always has been your way when it comes to me. Gun play, use my heart against me always. We can seem to hold space. No way. The blood from your heart on my hands again. Though I swore I washed it off in the rain. I wish I was sorry. Damn, I wish I was sorry that I don't know how to stay away. All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Cutting out the line I came to find. My fire was fake with you. Heartache would stay with you. Fly great escapes with you.